going on, guys, and welcome back. Hello. I'm so happy today, and I'm very happy because of 3 letters, and 3 letters only, and that is DJI. Guys, DJI just dropped their mini microphone. The new DJI Mic Mini came out, and I need to see it in person. I need to see it right next to the Mic 2 because I'm very curious. It is so small, it is so light, and it has powerful features. What kind of features are these, guys? Well, for starters, battery life. If I told you that it went from an average of 15 hours to 35 hours, would you believe me? Because that is very impressive. I don't know who's going to be recording for that long, unless you're just recording, I don't know, that's how something for that long, but that is impressive. The form factor is very small. The microphones themselves are very small, very light, and that is very cool. You don't have to worry about a microphone weighing down on your shirt if you happen to have loose clothing, because just for that alone we need to do one of those old school over-exaggerated commercials where the microphone is just hanging off the shirt and it just rips the shirt or something, and that causes somebody to have to switch. But for me, yes, that is impressive. Lighter weights, that is always gonna be good. The transmission frequency range, it is longer by far. It is longer. Exact numbers, I'm not too sure 100%, but the range is even longer, which the Mic 2 already has an excellent range. So if you get longer than that, then, I mean, I don't know, I'm not too sure 100%. Alrighty, but longer range is better. The only thing I noticed that seems to be a con is the fact that the Mic Mini doesn't support SD card saving, and it does not have the 32-bit recording save on an SD card, but it will save on its own. So, little things to think about. Secondary thing is the noise cancellation. The Mic 2 has intelligence noise cancellation, while the Mic Mini has a 2-step noise cancellation. Form factor itself, seems like the Mic Mini does not have a display on the receiver, but it does have a knob, and it does have your LED indicators. Oh, we got a little bit of traffic here. So that's also very cool. It's all supported on the app as well, so you can see your settings on the app. But the flawlessness of just being able to take it out and use it right away, that is a major convenience. Why go smaller? Well, guys, simple. When you have a DJI Mic 2 at $350 and you have the Mic Mini at $170. Why not? For that price, you can literally buy 2 sets, and you can record a 4-player LAN party on Mario Kart just for the heck of it. So, and if LAN parties were to come back. But the price is impressive. I mean, shoot, at less than half the price, longer range, you have the feature that now it auto connects with Osmo devices such as Action 4, Action 5, the Pocket. You can connect them without having to take out the receiver. The microphones also has a Bluetooth connectivity feature, but at least from what I've checked online, not very good on the microphone pickup. But I'm very curious as for the sound quality. Currently I'm using a DJI lavalier microphone for my camera setup. I think it works really great, and I'm curious to see if maybe a mini could fit in here and I could take it out at any time and have the same audio quality. Which brings me to the next point. It has an auto limiter for too loud of a sound and too quiet of a sound. It'll auto level the frequency into an acceptable hearing level, so that way it doesn't cause any, what's the right word, noise or improper noise. That's something where I find that to be very, very unique, because outside environments could be quiet. You never know. It could all of a sudden get loud at any moment. I find it to be a great product. I would definitely recommend it, and I'm curious to get my hands on it. Comment down below if you guys think this is a great product as well. Let me know what your opinions are. Let me know if you guys have any setups with DJI mics, especially Mic 1, Mic 2, and of course the Mic Mini. If you guys like this video, click on the like, hit subscribe, and I'll check you guys out on the next one. Have a safe one and take care. Bye.